जन गण मन नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
मोहन तुझे मोहन मोहन మంచిగా ఎదిగి నీడ కూడా ఉంటుంది. అవైతేనే తండ్రి కాలం
जन गण मन नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Forest Right Act 2006, 4,771 families were granted title deeds for 17,550 acres of land under Forest Rights Act. 2 community claims were sanctioned in first phase. Medical and health. Under ITDA Chintur, we are having 10 primary health centers and 2 community health centers. We are providing all medical and health services, including normal deliveries. 2 nutritional rehabilitation centers are functioning for SAM, MAM children, and also 2 SNCUs functioning for 6 neonatals and infants. The government has filled all vacant medical officer posts and also specialist posts in CSC Chintur. We have focused to improve the institutional deliveries and increase home deliveries, and also focus on to decrease infant deaths and maternal deaths. Under ITDA Chintur, we are having 3 ambulances, 4 108 vehicles, 4 104 vehicles, 3 102 vehicles, and 6 feeder ambulances. In view of malaria epidemics and other seasonal diseases, strengthen the house-to-house surveillance, conducted 2 rounds of IRS activities, ALO operations, and focal spray fogging activities. Awareness created on usage of bed nets and also conducting Friday dry day activities regularly. Education. There are 20 tribal welfare ashram schools, 75 tribal welfare government primary schools, 5 APTWR schools, 4 KGPVs, 192 MPP schools, 11 ZP high schools, 15 private schools, 2 government post-matric college hostels, 3 SC hostels, 2 BC hostels, 11 junior colleges, 2 degree colleges, totally 333 educational institutions. All tribal welfare ashram schools, APTWR schools, KGBVs are functioning in residential pattern. 90% of the SSC results are achieved in March 2024. Two students are selected in Triple IT at Angol and 1 student at Triple IT Shikakulam. Government supplied student kits are distributed to 21,258 students of ITDA Chintur jurisdiction. Midday meal program is being implemented in 279 schools and 9762 students benefiting in the program. Mother tongue based multilingual education program is being implemented since last 4 years. Women and child welfare. Under the jurisdiction of ITDA Chintur, 3 ICDS projects working to improve the nutritional status of 0 to 6 year children, pregnant and lactating mothers through a network of 432 Anganwadi centers, which include 266 main and 166 mini Anganwadi centers. Rural water supply and sanitation. Under Jal Jeevan program, rupees 48 crores sanctioned to provide drinking water facility with individual household tap connections for 236 habitation, out of which 60 works are under progress. Under CCDP grant, 12 works are completed with an estimated cost of rupees 60 lakh. Under PM Janmam, rupees 3 crore 70 lakhs sanctioned to provide drinking water facility for 29 uncovered PVTG habitations. These work are under tender process. Panchayati Raj, total 54 priority buildings were taken up by the PRI department in 19 Gram Panchayats of 3 mandals. In addition to this, 22 CC roads were sanctioned under 6% ZP, GF, and 10 road works have been completed, and balance 12 road works are at different stages. Electricity in 4 mandals of ITDA Chintur, 20,861 SC/ST consumer are benefited by giving subsidies of 5.81 crore. Agriculture consumer 9 hour supply shall be given during the daytime in a single spell. Under PM Janman scheme, 332 non-on-grid services and 76 off-grid services were released in PVT. Number new DTRs were erected to give load relief to other overload DTRs in Chintur and Nelipaka and Kunavaram section with a cost of 4 lakhs. Tribal welfare engineering. Under BAF scheme, 12 Gokulam sheds were sanctioned with estimated cost of rupees 2 crore 64 lakhs. Under NABARD grant, additional infrastructure facilities are provided in Mini Gurukulam at Rekhapalli school with estimate cost of rupees 193 lakhs. Under VDVK grant, 2 Hard Bazaar buildings sanctioned with an estimated cost of rupees 10 lakh each. Under 15th finance grant, 2 block public health unit buildings were sanctioned with an estimated cost of rupees 1 crore. Housing. The Government of India sanctioned 1116 houses under PMAY Grameen scheme with a unit cost of rupees 1.8 lakhs per each house. Houses with a cost of unit cost of rupees 2,39,000 sanctioned to 420 PVTGs in Chintur area ITD. Special minor irrigation in ITD Chintur jurisdiction of this division. There are 6 numbers of MI tanks, 64 number of PR tanks, and 1 number of check dams present with existing sources and serving an area code of around 3,000 acres. In the financial year 2024-5, 9 number of works proposed under the scheme in Chintur, Punavaram, Viarpuram, and Yetamakamangul. Roads and building under Polavaram irrigation project, 5 RNR colonies with houses are being constructed with an estimated cost of rupees 88 crore. Manrega, 32,149 job cards have been given to 62,617 individual beneficiaries in 4 mandals under ITDA. 32,000 families out of 24,000 families have been provided employment. 15,74,819 working days have been provided in this financial year in all the 4 mandals of Chintur division, and 100 working days have been provided to 4,638 families so far. Velugu. Under PMVTY program, estimated 56 PM JVM VDVKs and 4 PVTG PM Janmam VDVKs, 4.25 crore sanctioned by TriFed. GCC. Chintur society exists in Chintur ITDA, Chintur GPCM society. Number of ration cards are 36,622 and supplying ration through 30 MDO to the cardholders in GPCM Chintur. One petrol bunk and super bazaar established under the control of GPM society. Agriculture. Chintur subdivision has 12,220 PM Kisan beneficiaries who were provided income support of 73,32,000 for the year 2024-5. During the Kharif 2024-25 season, paddy seed distributed 6,600 quintals for farmers under Chintur ITD area. 35 Raitu Seva canes have been set up and the services of agriculture related sectors have been made available to the farmers at the village level. 35 paddy procurement centers have been set up for the year 2024-5 Kharif crop season in Chintur area, and through this till now 8,162 metric tons of grain worth 18 crore 77 lakhs have been procured from 2,221 farmers. Horticulture. We have been implementing oil palm area expansion under National Mission of Edible Oil scheme, which has a physical target of 100 acre areas expansion, out of which 14.5 hectares has been achieved. The tribal farmers in the 4 mandals of ITD Chintur are cultivating horticulture crops in 2,800 hectares, especially chili, which is a major crop with a production of 12,500 metric tons dry chili every year. Another major crop is cashew, which has covered 193 hectares with a production of 232 metric tons cashews nut in every year. Tricor. CCTDP 2021-22 rupees 2 lakhs sanctioned during the year 2021 under the scheme CCTDP 2018-19, 2019-20 rehabilitation funds. MSP for MFP rupees 10 lakhs sanctioned for 2 hard bazaar during year 2018-19 under this scheme. Today, as we celebrate 26th Republic Day of our great nation, let us take a moment to reflect on the values that our Constitution enshrines: justice, equality, liberty, and fraternity. It is these guiding principles that have helped us shape the India that we see today, and it is these principles that will propel us toward the vision of Swarn Andhra 2047. Swarn Andhra 2047 is not just a dream, it is a collective goal to create Pradesh by the centenary of our. It is a vision of prosperity, inclusivity, sustainability, and innovation. By harnessing the energy of our youth, the wisdom of our elders, and the strength of our communities, we aim to transform Andhra Pradesh into a hub of economic growth, technological advancement, and social equity. Our goals are ambitious but achievable: creating world-class infrastructure, empowering farmers through sustainable practices, revolutionizing education, promoting green energy, and ensuring the well-being of every citizen. On this Republic Day, let us pledge to work together, transcending barriers of caste, creed, and politics to achieve Swarn Andhra 2047. Let us honor the sacrifices of those who give us Constitution by dedicating ourselves to building a future that reflects its idea. The road ahead may be challenging, but united in purpose and spirit, there is nothing we cannot achieve. Together, let us make Swarn Andhra 2047 a reality and leave a legacy that future generation will celebrate with pride.